In the museum there are some really old floor tiles with pretty pictures on. I like this one because of the birds. So I thought we'd use our paints and we'd make a floor tile. If you can, use some paper that's not too shiny and fold it in half first. Then what you're going to do is paint on one side, fold the paper over, press it hard, and you should get the same picture on the other side, just like on the floor tile. The two birds are just the same, but they're mirror images of each other. It's just as if one was looking at itself in the mirror. So if we put a bit of paint on that side, not making anything special, just to show you, and then fold it over, press it really, really hard, and you end up with two, just the same, but looking at each other. And at home, I made one as near to the floor tile as I could manage. So there are my two birds looking at each other, just like the floor tile. If you haven't got a paintbrush, use a wash-up sponge. Cut it into little bits and just use it for printing, and it works just as well. You can keep your colours nice and separate if you use lots of different sponges. And just the same, fold it over and two patterns the same. When they built the new cathedral, they took the stone from the old one and used a lot of it to build the walls around the cathedral close. Some of the stones have got faces on them, and in the museum we've got some of those stones too, in the Wessex Gallery. This mask is just like one of those stones. One of those stone faces looks just like a bird. If you want to make a mask like this, you could pop into the museum and get some instructions on how to make it.